Hey guys, what is up? So today I'm gonna make this smoothie boba recipe that it has been trending on TikTok, and I'm basically gonna try it out and see if it's good or not. So first off, I'm gonna go on a run with my friend and I'm gonna go pick up some boba from my other friend because I don't have any at home. So let's go. Hey guys, what is up? We are currently running. Well, he's running. I am not running because I biked like 8 miles yesterday. So we're just gonna be vlogging him run. No, you're a mile. Move! Come on, I'm a coach. Come on, move. You're going only 9 miles an hour. Come on, pick it up one. All right, how you doing, Gabe? We're at 0.3 miles. Go, yo! You told me you're going left, yo. We're just crushing like. Yo, did you see how close I came to you? Yo, I was 9 miles back. I could have ran you. We're at the park. Yeah. No, I don't. Can you stop acting like that, yo? Yo, she's scared. Yo, look at this, yo. Oh my god. Yo, she's so scared. Hey guys, what is up? So right now we are gonna start the boba smoothie recipe, okay? So this is gonna be a nice refreshing recipe, and you can use any frozen fruits you would like, okay? But I'm gonna use mixed berries today, so let's go. Alright guys, so first off with this smoothie recipe, you would want to boil your boba or tapioca pearls. I'm using the one that my friend gave me, but it turned out my mom actually got some, but whatever. So first off, just cook it accordingly to how you're supposed to do it. And we're just going to use a 1/4 cup of either boba or pearls. Alright, now make sure your water is boiling and add in your boba or pearls. Making sure your water is at a rolling boil is pretty crucial when cooking it. Now boil it to according to your package instructions. Okay guys, let's start making our smoothie. I got some organic triple berry blend from Sam's Club that consists of blueberries, blackberries, and raspberry. Now you can make as much smoothie as you would like, or you can use littler than I'm making. So I'm using 2 cups of frozen berries, but you can also use some fresh fruits if you would like. Next off, I'm gonna make a very simple syrup. I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I'm gonna mix it with 1 to 2 teaspoons of hot water. You just want to basically dissolve the sugar particles because you don't want that in your smoothie. You want a nice syrup. Just go ahead and mix it up and make sure it is all dissolved. Alright, next off, we got our boba once again, and you just want to make sure it is not clumped up. And we are going to strain this into a bowl, and you can either make a brown sugar syrup for it, or just drizzle some honey on top of it. I'm just going to be simple and add honey to it, but you can do what you want. Alright, here we got our boba, and I'm just going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. But if you don't want it that sweet, then go ahead and add what you want. Next, I got my clear cup, and we're just going to add in our boba right in, and I'm just going to spread the syrup on the side of the walls. Alright, now we got our smoothie again, and I'm going to start off with 1 cup of almond milk. But you can use whatever ratio you have if you have one. Alright, now we're just going to add in our milk like so, and also we're going to add in our simple syrup. So after you add it, just cover it up, and you want to mix your blender at the highest speed. So that'll be liquefied for my KitchenAid. Once it starts blending, as you can see, it starts to get like stuck. I'm just gonna add in a little bit more milk later on, but you could just also push it down if you like your smoothie really chunky, but I like it a little bit more smooth. So I'm adding in around a quarter cup of oat milk, a quarter to a half cup. And we're just gonna proceed to blend it, and look how much easier it is to blend it. Alright, our smoothie is done. We're just gonna add it in our cup, and I'm also gonna top it off with a honey layer and add some boba on top as well. But you might want a large cup, because I had to end up wiping this and it just started spilling everywhere later on. Alright, of course, now our next step is to add in our boba straw, and now let's taste test. Alright guys, now let's taste test. The mixed berries, amazing. Mixing the honey layer. This is the first time I'm having pearls instead of bubbles at home. And let me just tell you, this is more life-saving than drinking bubble tea at home, because these pearls actually fit through the straws. Some bobas don't, and when you suck harder, it can literally kill you. This combo is so amazing. You get the nice chewiness and tapioca flavor of the bobas, and you get the refreshing fruit smoothie. Amazing, like literally 10 out of 10. Now, of course, you adjust the sugar level to your preference, but I like things a little bit tart, so I didn't sweeten this too much. Well, that's it guys. Please be sure to subscribe and drop a like below. Bye.